Hey friends, it's Bridget here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making something very special, something very delicious. But before we get into what I'm going to be making, I want to take this time out to welcome our new subscribers. Welcome to our community. And to our returning subscribers, welcome. Thank you for always coming and supporting the channel and liking, commenting, and sharing. This means the world to me. We're on our way to 1,000K subscribers, guys. I'm halfway in that milestone. So let's continue to share the videos, like them, subscribe, comment, guys. Comment. I welcome the comment. YouTube welcomes the comment. There's no bad comments. It's only growth. That's the way we're going, okay? So continue to support the channel. I really appreciate your support. It means the world to me. So thanks again, and let's get right into our video. Yeah, man. We have the cold foam, and this is comb foam creamer, and it's salted maple. Ooh. Okay. I got this from Trader Joe, guys. Top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. Look at this. And you can always, if you feel like it, just drizzle a little bit of caramel on it. Just drizzle. For those moments when you have a sweet tooth. I'm gonna give this one a taste, guys. Oh my goodness. You have to try this, guys. Oh, you just have to try this. Pumpkin sea moss, my seasonal drink exclusively. So good. Give this a like, guys. If you have come to the end of this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share. And the recipe will be in the description. Until next time, I see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Yeah, man.